Hello there guys and girls, good evening. Take a look at this in front of you. Yes, it's a TV show where you can see it on TV5 here in the Philippines, and this is a Singaling. Singaling is very famous decades ago. So they'll be having a live show tomorrow here in Farmers Cubao. So if you can have time, you can catch them up here in Farmers Cubao, I repeat. And then as you can see on the stage, they are rehearsing for a dance number. I don't know who are they, but they are just dancing. And on this side, the musical team. So let's get closer. See that? And some of the staff are having their talkies. And then the audience chairs and some of the medic team. So there you are, the cameras and the TV monitors. The stage is some kind of awesome, and some of the man behind or the staff. So we're not getting closer because there's a sound. So on the backstage, as you can see, lots of equipments. There it is. So they're still rehearsing. They're doing their dance steps. I don't know who are they. So here they are. Maybe they are the producers, the executive producer and the associate producer rather. Okay, bye for now.